I have a lip oil set here. Let's swatch it together. Here is what it looks like on the inside. It comes with the 3 lip oils. Number 1, Clear Dew, number 2, Red Camilla, and number 3, Pink Molly. Each lip oil comes individually packaged like this with the label. Once you open it, it shows the little lip oil hiding inside of the window. Once again, look at that gorgeous packaging. Here is what all 3 of them look like in their packaging. Here's what they all look like outside of their packaging. All of the little lip oils have their little logo printed on top. Each of the bottles look like this when unscrewed, and here is the applicator. It's just a flat, rounded rectangle. Here's what the other one looks like. It's more of a neon red. It reminds me of a cherry red. The shade of this one reminds me more of a dusty rose. So I have the 3 lip oils right here. I know that these 2 do have plumping properties, while this one doesn't. So let's just start with this one. So here's Clear Dew. This one is just a clear, regular lip oil. Of course, it's clear. There's no color here, but it doesn't really smell like anything. And when you just put it on your lips, bam. The texture kind of reminds me of the NYX Butter Gloss. It's not sticky at all. Okay, so here's what clear looks like in the sun. Didn't expect much. It is very, very glossy, and I think it could work as a lip gloss, but it is a lip oil. Let's try on the second one. This is Red Camilla. It reminds me a bit of like an apple lip oil. This one, it smells like artificial red apples. That's like all I can explain this as. The lip oil itself is a plumping one, so it does tingle, which I'm not a fan of, but I know some people are. I do think it doesn't really show plumping, but it just has that tingly sensation. I did try it out. I tested it and it lasted around 1 hour, the tingly sensation. But here's what it looks like in the sun. It's definitely more of a bright but subtle look, so if you don't want to do something overpowering like a lip tint, this would be a great option, but it does have that weird tingly sensation. Let's try out the last lip oil. This is Pink Molly. This one is the one I said reminded me of a dusty rose. I think this is more of a nude kind of shade. Like this, I just took off the last shade. So this is kind of what my natural lip color would look like. And I think it's not similar, but it's definitely more of a muted tone. And this also does have the plumping property, so it tingles. Like I said, I don't like that. But I think the color is pretty nice. And here's what it looks like. I really like this one. I thought I wouldn't, but I think it's just a nice little pop of color. Compared to the clear one, this is more of just very subtle. But it smells exactly like the red one, and it's very glossy. Here's what all of the 3 lip oils look like swatched. Number 1 is Clear Dew, number 2 is Red Camilla, and number 3 is Pink Molly.